Hi, it's me, Junalkit Inagabo, Ibis Abi student from TIU. In our last activity, I gained a much deeper understanding of how we can approach solving problems in the Philippines to reach the Sustainable Development Goals. It all starts with identifying the issue. At first, understanding its problems requires digging deeper and looking at its root causes. From there, we move on to analyzing the situation. This is where things get interesting, saying how everything is interconnected and how even small changes can have a massive impact. But the most exciting part is when we get to propose a solution. It's not just about coming up with ideas, but about thinking critically and creatively to use the technologies available to us in ways that could actually make a difference. This whole process made me realize that it's not enough to just know what the problems are. We need to challenge ourselves to find innovative, sustainable solutions that can lead to real change.